Hi there, welcome to writing class. In today's class, we are going to learn about IELTs letter writing. Okay, many of you are confused about the letters, and especially when it comes to task 1 writing. Okay, so let's discuss how a band 6 or band 8 letters would look like. So let's discuss first the question. Write a letter to a friend. You have borrowed something from your friend and it got damaged. So see the question here. They have asked about to write a letter. Of course, it's a letter to a friend. Okay, and you have borrowed. You have taken something from her and it was damaged. You got it? So the letter is simply about an apology that something you have taken from your friend and it was damaged because of your mishandling or unintentional action, whatever the cause might be. So it got damaged. So in your letter, first you have to apologize for the damage you have made and explain what happened, okay, and say how you are going to fix this problem. So this is your 3 aspect of your letter. These 3 things should be there in your writing. Then only you will get a band score of either 6 or 7 or 8, which you desire. Okay, so try to, when you phrase your letter, you have to include all these 3 points to get your desired band. Got it? Let's move to the sample now. So this is your band 6 sample. Okay, try to understand it clearly what I'm going to read. So always start, because she is your friend, so you can mention he or she. So I have used the word name Sarah. You can use any name. So I have started with respected, has something like, dear, or whatever you wish. It is always best to use dear. Okay, I just wasn't in a state to apologize for the damage of the laptop which I have borrowed for my presentation. So here what I'm going to do is a comparison of band 6 and band 8 IELTS writing. So the same thing I have written for band 8 as well. So what I mentioned that I just wasn't in a state, okay, I wasn't in a particular state to apologize what the damage, which laptop, which was caused by the laptop, okay, which I have borrowed for my presentation. I just wasn't in a state to apologize for the damage of the laptop which I have borrowed for my presentation. It simply means that I wasn't sure, I was very disappointed and I couldn't respond to you on the same time which the damage happened, but I am really sorry for that, and it was your laptop was damaged during my presentation. That's my statement for the first. So I have mentioned what the product was. So it's about the laptop. Firstly, I want to say sorry for the damage that was caused by mistake, and I didn't have the courage to come up to you and say sorry. Okay, so second thing what I'm saying, again I am saying that I am really sorry about thing that happened to your laptop, and I am saying that the damage was caused by mistake. It was not incidental, it was an accidental mistake, and till now I didn't have the courage to come up to you and say so that I am really sorry because I was very disappointed. You got it? Now what the question, other question is asked about what the reason is, means what happened, explain the reason. Let me tell you. So I have started to tell her that what happened on the day when the laptop was damaged. When I was about to finish my presentation, someone asked a serious doubt about the content. In a hurry, I moved the laptop to change the slides and the laptop was dropped to the floor. So what I was saying that on the same day, what happened, when I was about to finish my presentation, all of a sudden somebody has asked a doubt about the content of my presentation, and I was really in a hurry and I just moved my laptop to change the slides and then accidentally it dropped to the floor. So this is what happened to the laptop. I was panicked and then went to a repair shop to find out how much the damage. Okay, so what I did, I was really panicked and I was very worried, and then immediately I went to a repair shop to find out how much the damage was. So what they said that they will repair within a few days. Okay, so they assured me that they are going to repair this thing within a few days. Got it? I will pay for the expense and hope you will forgive me. So what I am expecting that, so the last question is what? Say how you are going to fix this thing. Okay, so what I am going to say that, they said that laptop within a few days time. Okay, and I said that I am going to pay the expense, how much ever the cost is for the damage, and please forgive me. And I just believe that she will forgive me. You got it? So, and when concluding that, you have to either mention thanking you by your name or anyone else's name. So this was about the band 6 essay. I hope you understood really very well that how you have to write for a band 6 format. Okay. So this is your band 6 essay. Okay. I mean letter writing. Let's see how this band is 8 essay looks like. Okay, band 8. Earlier we were discussing about band 6 letter writing. The same thing I have written in band 8 format. Let's see. The same thing I have started with. Dear Sarah, I am really sorry. Okay, I have taken a long time to say. Okay, but I want to explain why I couldn't return your laptop. See the sentence here, it clearly depicts what this letter is about. So this is what makes it band 8, okay, or 8 plus, because I am saying that it is an apology letter, and first of all I said sorry. Okay, and then I am saying that for me, I know that it's quite long time to say, but I want to explain why I couldn't return your laptop. So clearly I have mentioned the reason. Okay, you got it? So try to write in a single sentence with the complaint or whatever the introduction that will give you additional benefits. Okay, so now I am going to tell what is the reason. Okay, what did I damage? Unfortunately, so it is not something fortunate, right? I have not been able to return the laptop because it was damaged accidentally during my presentation on last Friday. So here see, I have exactly mentioned when it happened and how it happened. Moreover, I didn't have the courage to write up to you the same, and I am terribly sorry for that. So see, this is an apology letter, and clearly it states I am really unfortunate to have such an experience with my friend, and I didn't have enough courage to talk to her about the same. So, and I have told her that what happened. Okay, so this is about what. Okay, what happened. So next paragraph we have to explain exactly the situation, how. Okay, how it happened. Okay, let me explain what happened on the day. Okay, so I am going to explain. I was about to brief my presentation, and suddenly someone stood up with a serious doubt, and in a hurry I just moved the laptop without realizing that the table wasn't that long. You got it clearly. I just gave an explanation that the laptop was dropped in band 6, but what I did was in band 8 was that I exactly explained that I moved the laptop without realizing that the table wasn't long. So I didn't notice whether the table was long enough to hold my laptop or not. I just moved to tell or clear the doubt. Okay, then it happened with a fraction of time. I couldn't help it out. So that's the same way, or that's the way the damage happened. You got it? Okay, and then so you have to say about how you are going to fix this issue, right? I just checked the laptop and it wasn't working. So what I did first, I checked whether it was working or not. So I found that it was not working. Okay, I have taken to a specialist. So here I have said about the specialist, but in my other essay I have used a repair shop. Okay, and if you want to talk something to a something in with a special concern or genuine concern towards their things, so you can use the word specialist, to whom I know. So see what I have written. It was a specialist as well as the person I know him very well. Okay, so that is very important. I talked to him, okay, and he guarantees that it will be done on Monday morning. So when I talked to him, he assured me that this will be done by Monday morning. So that's very assuring for your friend, okay. And because why, I have taken to a specialist and whom I personally know, and even on top of that, he just assured that it will be done on Monday morning. I will cover the cost. Again, what I am saying that I will cover the cost, and please reach me out if you need the laptop before Monday. So what I am saying that I am going to cover the cost, and if you need the laptop before Monday, please reach me out. So that shows my intention is clear, and I am really sorry for the damage happened, and I have given some solutions, and I am really satisfied with the solution. And if she need further suggestion or anything, I am just asking her as well. Okay, the same thing I have written thanking you and your name. I have just written some name here. You can write any name. Okay, I am going to brief what I have written. So it is an apology letter to a friend. You have something you have damaged, and explain why it happened and how you are going to fix this issue. In your band 6 format, I have explained that the laptop was borrowed for my presentation, and it was in simple terms, and I didn't say exact reasons and exact day when it happened, and I didn't say that why I didn't tell her that that this was the reason, and I didn't add any utmost concern regarding the repair. So this was the drawback of your band 6 essay. You got it. And when it comes to your band 8 essay, you can see I have taken a good introduction. I mean, in a single sentence I have explained why I couldn't return the product, and then I have exactly explained when it happened and then how it happened, and why I didn't reach her out because of my disappointment, or I didn't have the courage, and I am terribly sorry for that. Okay, and then the next paragraph I have exactly explained about what happened on the same day and when it happened and why it happened. You got it. And then on my last paragraph I have mentioned about how I am going to fix this thing, and I have clearly explained that I had utmost concern regarding this, and because I have taken it to a specialist and someone whom I really know well, and even he assures that it will be done on Monday morning. And again I am giving her that I will cover, I'll take the money how much ever it cost. And again I am asking her that if you need any if you need the product or laptop before the stipulated time. Okay, this I have exactly compared the essays of letter writing band 6 and 8. I hope you understood, and if you have any doubts or any queries, just put in the comment section, and see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.